long, luscious hair is a desire that keeps pricking you. For many years, people in the world have searched and tried different types of home remedies for hair growth. We're super excited to introduce you to the absolute best and fastest hair growth treatment we've found, papaya seeds. Today we'll show you step by step how to use papaya seeds for hair growth. Papaya seeds have a ton of health benefits, including but not limited to parasite removal, liver cleansing, skin clearing, weight loss, digestive cleansing, and much more. So what makes papaya seeds so powerful? Papaya seeds are high in protein, fat, calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus. When ingested directly, they can cure a multitude of ailments and even prevent cancer and tumors. Used topically though, papaya seeds have amazing benefits, especially for hair and skin. Papaya seeds contain a protein called papain which strengthens the hair and encourages fast and healthy hair growth. Papaya seeds for hair growth. First off, you'll need a ripe, but not too ripe, papaya. Papayas can be found at your local grocery store, and depending on the season, can be cheap or a little more expensive. In either case, you can extract a good amount of seeds from just one papaya. Step 1. Scoop out the seeds from the papaya and rinse them in a strainer. Make sure to remove any remaining pulp. Step 2. Lay the seeds on a tea towel and place them somewhere to dry. Outdoors in the sun would be best. If you have a dehydrator, you can also place the seeds in the dehydrator to dry. Step 3. Once the seeds have dried, it's time to turn them into powder. You can break up the seeds either by using a mortar and pestle or by grinding them in a cover or spice grinder. Step 4. Add the papaya seeds powder to your favorite shampoo, preferably a natural shampoo, and shake the bottle well. Wash your hair as you normally would. Be sure to shake the bottle up before every use as the powder might settle at the bottom. There you have it. It's easy to do, and the results will astonish you. Shampoo your hair as often or as rarely as you usually do and wash your hair normally. Within just a few weeks, you'll notice stronger, healthier, and longer hair. Because of the papain enzyme, the hair follicles will strengthen, which in turn will make the hair grow faster. If you guys liked my video, then give it a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel now to keep yourself updated.